Okay, this area is my Hügelkultur area. It's about, let's see, it's 3 blocks, so about 2 feet tall. And the way I made it my Hügelkultur was I took a mulberry tree and I buried it. So there's only about 8 inches of soil on top of this. The rest of it is rotted wood. And I do have to keep putting soil into this because the rotted wood is continuing to kind of decay away. But it's like a sponge under there, and it holds the moisture really, really well. So these are some squash plants. Hey, by the way, I just ate last night. I ate one of my spaghetti squashes. Got a bunch of them in there, and it was green, like this one over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's so hard for me to see anything right now because it's so bright out here. I can't see my screen. Here's an eggplant and California poppies. Yeah, so anyway, I ate this green spaghetti squash last night, and it was actually okay. So just heads up on that. You don't have to wait for your spaghetti squashes to mature and get yellow. So I got some watermelon growing in here. The sunflowers are coming up over the marigolds. I got a tomato. My peas are pretty much spent now. I've harvested them. So anyway, that is the Hügelkultur area. It was quite a bit of work to build, I'll tell you that. But it's good for conserving water, and because the wood decays and acts like a sponge, and it holds the moisture really well.